So tonight we're going to be installing the 12oclockLabs Edge 2 integrated tail light with turn signals. So in the box, it comes with some hardware, zip ties, instructions. It comes with little inserts so that you can replace your tail lights right here. This is to cover the holes up. It also comes with the tail light with the license plate holder. It's really that simple. It's not much to it. The reason why you spend the money on this and not something, you know, cheap on eBay, less than 20 bucks, it gives you factory connections. This is important if you don't want to splice into a brand new bike. So that's what comes in the box, and we're gonna install it tonight. So the first thing we're going to do is take the seat off. Seat will pop out with those two bolts out. Just have to lift up and slide back. And then what you're going to have to do is take this tail piece off. Make sure not to lose these little, see that? Try not to drop your tools while you're at it. This tail piece should pop off after that. Pops right off, lifts right off. And right here you have all these wiring connections. Pretty neat. Let's try to keep it like that. Okay, so on the new tail light, for the turn signals, there's a blue connector and a white connector. The blue connector from the new tail light goes to the blue connector on your bike, and the white connector goes to the orange connector on your bike. Okay? And then the regular harness for the tail light goes to this big black one right here. I'm going to take a little tech screwdriver to separate the wires because I don't want to break these. You just need to pull up on the little tab here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little tab right there. You pull up on it and it slides right out. And we'll do the same for the blue connector. Just pull up and it slides right out. It's really easy with a screwdriver. And so with the black connector, you just push down on the back of it and slide it off. Just like that, it pops right out. And then underneath, there are 3 bolts that you take off with a 5mm Allen key. This is to take the old license plate holder off. Start taking the last bolt off, and it's gonna fall on you. So make sure to hold it, and you'll have to get the wires out as well, or at least the wire with this connector. We're gonna take the back blinker lights off because the tail light has it integrated, and all that's holding them is one Phillips bolt. They pop right off, and the wires come with them. It's good to keep them as spare for some reason. I don't know, maybe someone will want them. I guess I'm a hoarder. Excuse the garage. It's a little bit of a mess. Do a lot of working in here, but not enough cleaning up, I suppose. There we go, second one. And then there's a little tab that holds the screw, and you could just push it through. It'll push through. The assembly will come through like that. This is the button the screw goes in. And then the rubber grommet will pop off like that, and then you can put your knockouts in there, or your knockout fillers. Do the same to this side. There we go, comes out quick. Just have two pieces, one for each side, and no more broken plastic when you hit the taillights. They just pop in just like that. Pretty simple. There you go, nice and clean. Now the only wire you have left here on the back end is this tail light. So what we're going to do is, there's two bolts holding it in, and we'll take that out now. If you can find your 10mm socket, that's what it's going to take to get this back tail light off. And right here, there's a little grommet. I was wondering what was holding it. A little grommet and a little dimple right there. Really just pull it out. Try not to, you know, hurt the plastic, but it just pulls out. It's fine. And there's the light. And so there it is. We're ready for the new setup. So with the new integrated taillight, has a grommet or a I don't know what you call that, but that goes into the grommet, just like the old one. Okay, fits just like that. Beautiful. So this is something that I wish someone would have told me. So this is the washer that it came with for the 2 holes right here on top. That goes right through the holes, okay? That's not gonna work. You're gonna need another washer. This is the washer that most of us have in our garage. That's too big. You're gonna need an in-between size. So before you take this project on, consider this. Make sure to get it snug but not too tight. This plastic holding this tail light down is not very thick. So just be very careful not to over tighten it. And it also comes with some zip ties that you can zip tie around these holes just so it's extra secure. Just cutting off the excess zip tie. I've already connected the tail light right here. Okay, and we also have a left blinker for blue. Just pop that in for blue, and the white goes to orange. and you'll have a few extra because everything is right here. So you'll have the license plate light, and you have the extra grounds for the turn signals, but it's all right here. Slide this protector back over, and that's it. Now we can put the tail back on, and that's it. It's pretty simple. It takes a little bit of time, but I think it looks really good. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. I plan to do a lot more videos with the 300. We'll be going off-road in about 2 weeks. So look forward to another video then, okay? Thank you. Check out my Facebook group, Fate, Florida Adventure and Trail Exploration. We post videos of dual sport riding, trips, useful information.